All right, everybody. Looks like we got a new listing over here in Decatur. It's not on the market yet. If you're looking for a home in Decatur, right off of 285, near the Beltline, this is the home you want to buy. It's priced $10,000 under appraised value. $199,999. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm going to take you inside in a second, but it's been totally rehabbed. It's totally beautiful inside, and I'm just going to walk you inside. And if you have a home to sell, I will buy your home if you buy this home. If you have a home to sell and you want to move up in price point, or you have a house to sell, I'll definitely buy it from you. Just give me a call, 678-314-7764. Also, just look at the verbiage here in this post. I'm going to flip this around and take you on a tour on the inside, okay? All right, so here's a house across the street. As you see, it's a very quiet, established neighborhood. Not really much going on, just a lot of families working hard, and it's a perfect place for somebody looking for a home right off of 285 near the Beltline. Here's a picture of my sign, and just so you know, we put everything in writing. If you buy this home, I'll buy yours. There's some conditions that do apply, but remember, we also have an everyday open house. Everyday open house. Here's the number. Type in that 4-digit code, and you can get all the information on this house, 24/7 access. You don't have to talk to a real estate agent, but if you want to beat other buyers to this property before it comes on the market, and I'm going to put it on the market in about 3 or 4 days, you should call me. You should call me today, 678-314-7764. So I'm just going to take you inside, and as you see, it has an awesome little red door. Everything's brand new. It looks pretty cool. And so I'm going to take you inside so you can see it for yourself, okay? So we're going inside, and here is the entrance. Look at this living room. Oh, it smells like everything brand new in here. Look at this place. Here's the living room. Huge, 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 huge windows to look out of during the day. Lots of natural sunlight. Really close to 285, the Beltline. Here's a dining area. Pretty phenomenal. Everything in here is brand new. I don't know where you can find a property near the Beltline and 285 for under $200,000. I mean, I don't know where you can do it. Guess what? The seller will pay all your closing costs with the right offer. So that's something to keep in mind. All you need is a down payment, and if you're a military veteran, you could probably get this house for less than $1. Pretty amazing. So we're gonna walk down the hallway. Here's a hallway. Over here to the left is 1 bedroom. And as you see, they're pretty spacious bedrooms. We're gonna do an open house on this next Sunday. So it'll probably be sold, if not this week, because I'm gonna send out a list to all my past clients, and I have buyers, 14,000 buyers in my database. It might be sold by the time somebody sees this video and call me. I sure hope so. Here is also the bathroom, one of the bathrooms in here. Everything's brand new. I know some sunlight beaming in, so let me kind of turn around this way. Brand new tub, custom tile, all the custom tile in here. Stuff feels so great. If you want something brand new in an established neighborhood, under $200,000, this is amazing. Look at this bathroom. This is the master, guys. Look at this master. Unbelievable. Windows everywhere. Lots and lots and lots of natural sunlight. Here's the marble in the master bath. I mean, this feels so good, and it smells so good in here. Call me. You're interested in this property? You want to beat other buyers to properties before they come on the market, because you already know in this price point, directly off 285, that it's going to sell quick. And so you have been searching for a property. You want to be close to downtown Atlanta. We're in Decatur. I'm going to take you out and show you the backyard. you should probably give me a call. 678-314-7764. Has a huge backyard. Look at this backyard. Oh my God. You could have a lot of fun back here. You could build you a deck. You could have, it's got a lot of shade, because I'm over here, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's got tons and tons of shade. So you could beat the Atlanta, Georgia heat. Come back here, probably build you a beautiful deck. Have lots of friends and families over. You see it's already got some fencing up, so if you have pets, it's fencing on all 3 sides. You would just have to add a fence, you know, so the dog can't get out to the main street. So as I walk back out, it has a side door here. Look at that, everything's brand new. Got a carport. Put your nice car here, so you could have full security on your car, a nice carport to come under here. You should give me a call. So hey, as I said before, if you buy this home, guess what? I'll buy yours. All we have to do is come to terms to a price, your conditions, the time frame to sell it, and so my name's Anthony Thornton. I'm in this beautiful